Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Markela Tarrance, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back. As you all see, I did go ahead and do something a little bit different to my hair. I'm not sure if you can really tell, but it could be a sew-in, or it could be a quick weave, or they can be neither, and they can be clip-ins. Yes, I said it, clip-ins. I am going to go ahead and show you guys step by step how you can achieve this exact look at home. But before we move any further, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. Now, let's go ahead and get right into the video.
Alrighty guys, here is what my hair looks like after it has been washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried, and of course flat ironed. I went ahead and I took the honors of clipping my ends and cutting my hair. So this is my natural hair. This is what it looks like. I do not have relaxed hair or anything of that nature. So depending on what type of clip-ins you have, it will determine the state of your hair. So if you get curly clip-ins, you need curly. If you have straight, then you should get straight, right? So the clip-ins that I'll be using today have been provided by the one and only Inches of Envy. Make sure you all check them out on Instagram. So I'm not sure if you all have seen these type of clip-ins before. This is my first time doing and installing clip-ins, and I thought it would be cool for me to show you all how to do it. So this particular clip-in, it actually has 3 clips. So I believe I received 2 bundles of their Brazilian wavy, and I just went ahead and I straightened it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm not sure if you all are familiar. I would highly recommend that when you are installing your clip-ins that you start from the back and work your way up, the same way that you would do a quick weave, or the same way that you would do a sew-in. You want to start and then move up. So I did go ahead and use my rat tail comb just to straighten up my part. Now, depending on the size of your head, it will determine which clips you should use, whether you use a 2-clip clip-in first or 3-clip clip-in. So I will be using the 3-clip clip-in that I showed you all, and I'm just going to insert it onto my roots. And then I'm going to insert it again, and then I'm going to clip it and insert it again, and I'm just going to clip it. This is super simple. It's really not much to it. You want to make sure that you are aware of how you part your hair, and how much hair you leave out, and how close you put your clip-ins next to each other. You don't want to have them too close because it probably won't give off that natural effect, but you also want to make sure that it is close enough to the point where it doesn't look like there's gaps in your hair. So make sure you're cautious of that. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing the same thing that I just showed you all. you all see, it's super easy. It's really not that hard. I feel like if you're a beginner and you want to add some length to your hair and you don't want to keep putting too much heat to your hair, then this is something you can do. I did go ahead and turn to the front so that you all could see how I was parting my hair. And usually the higher you get in your head, the more clips that it'll have. And then when you get to the tip top of your head, then the clips become less and less. So I believe now I am doing the clips with the clip-ins that have 2 clips on them. So I'm just inserting and I'm gonna clip it, and I'm just inserting and I am clipping it. I also have clip-ins that are like it's like on one track, and it's just a clip. So it's super easy. And of course, if you are doing different styles, which I'll also show you how I style my clip-ins in another video, of course you would put different sizes in different places. So just go ahead and continue, and I hope you're enjoying the video. Alrighty guys, so here's what my hair looks like with all of the clips in. So now I am going to go ahead and get ready to curl my hair. So I will be using the Chi Silk Infusion on my hair just to make sure that my hair isn't like too frizzy. I do want to make sure that everything blends well, and I do have my Remington flat irons that I got from your local Target, and I'll be using that to curl my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed that up for you all as well. So here is the finished product. We are finally finished and I'm so satisfied with the results. Remember, I got my clip-ins from Inches of Envy, so make sure you check them out on Instagram. I hope that this video encouraged you to give it a try out clip-ins just to see how you like it. This is my very first time actually trying clip-ins and I am absolutely in love. So without further ado, I really hope that you enjoyed this video just as much as I did creating it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and I cannot wait to see you next time.